Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another super cool product from JBL.com. Viewed a number of products from JBL over the last 10 years. Be sure to search for those on the Chris Voss Show so you can check those babies out. These are the new JBL Live 650 BTNC. These are wireless, over-the-ear, noise-canceling headphones. So this works out great. I love noise-canceling headphones these days. You can wear them on airplanes to block out all the noise. If you're in big cities or just noisy areas that you don't want interfering with the beauty of your music or calls, these are great headphones to take and use. They come in about 6 different colors, so you can personalize them the way that you want. It's got JBL's signature sound with 40-millimeter drivers and a sound signature that can be found in the most famous venues all around the world. I love it, man. It sounds great. JBL always delivers great sound when it comes to super bass, wonderful medium, and wonderful highs, brilliant highs when it comes down to it for your sound balance. It also works with Google Voice Assistant, so there you go. You can call in to Google Voice to play your favorite playlist, text your friend, check the weather, and simply more by tapping the ear cup to activate the Google Voice Assistant or Amazon Alexa. It uses the all-new JBL app to set your preference voice assistants that you take and want to do, and away you go. You can mute distractions with the ANC, which is active noise canceling, so you can block out all the different sounds and things that might be annoying you, and you can just enjoy the pleasure of your own music space. It's got hands-free calling, where you can stay in touch with the world by managing calls with the buttons on the ear cup. When the battery is flat, you can plug in the audio cable and continue listening. So if you forget to charge it up, sometimes I do, you can still enjoy your headphones. It's got multi-point connection that allows you to effortlessly switch from one Bluetooth device to another. And, of course, video on your tablet, on your mobile phone, on your laptop, and never miss a call, all that good stuff. It's got Comfort Fit fabric headband that's shaped around your head with a fitting fabric headband and soft ear cushions. They're super comfy, so you can wear these for a long time. You can, of course, download the JBL Headphones app so you can personalize it. It's got 30 hours of battery life with ANC off and speed charge, or 20 hours with Bluetooth and active noise canceling on. A quick 15-minute charge will let you extend the run for another 2 hours. So it's got that nice, beautiful quick charge in it. It comes with a soft pouch that serves as protection when you're storing or traveling, and it's just a wonderful sounding device. We were super impressed with it and can highly recommend it. It's just wonderful at the beautiful point they put into these babies, and you can really enjoy the sound. And the speed charging is pretty cool. 2 hours to speed charge these babies up. That's pretty darn cool. The dynamic frequency response rate is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, and it's got a battery type in it of a polymer Li-ion battery with 700 milliamp hours. Pretty darn awesome with all the different features you can get. It's feature rich. You can use it with Siri, Google Now, Bixby, all that sort of good stuff. Alexa, you do hands-free calling, touch control, act noise canceling. Just wonderful stuff that's in here with Google Assistant as well. Multi-point connection, flat fold design, you name it. It is freaking awesome and feature rich. Go to JBL.com, check them out. The JBL Live 650 BTNC. I loved them. I think you will too. And they've got great reviews online as well. It's JBL. They always make great products from what we've seen over the years. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.